In this clip, I'm going to show you how to customize the Quick Access Toolbar to display the commands that you use most often in your day. The Quick Access Toolbar is located in the upper left-hand corner of the window, and it's independent of the tab and ribbon interface. By default, you have the send and receive and the undo commands on the toolbar. You can add standard commands by clicking the drop-down arrow at the end of the toolbar. By selecting any of the options in the drop-down, it will add that icon to the toolbar. For instance, if I'd like to quickly print things, I can choose the print command. If I tend to forward a lot of emails, I can choose the forward command. You can also add any command on any ribbon to the Quick Access Toolbar simply by right-clicking on it and then selecting Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Now, in addition to the standard commands that are available on the ribbons, there's a whole other set of commands that are available by clicking the drop-down again and choosing More Commands. The popular commands appear on the left-hand side. However, there are a multitude of commands that are not available on any ribbon, anywhere. So to select from all the commands, I'm going to choose the drop-down at the top of the left pane and select Commands Not in the Ribbon or All Commands, either one. And notice you see there's many other options available here. Things like categories. If I use categories quite a bit, I can choose Categories and select Add. You might want to scroll through the options to see what else is available. Once you've added to the Quick Access Toolbar, you can reorder them as needed depending on what you use the most. So I'm going to use the little arrows here. Let's say I forward quite often or print quite often, and I want that to be first. So I'm going to choose the arrow and move it out to the first position. When you're done with your customizations, go ahead and click OK. As we discussed in a previous lesson, the tab and ribbon interface updates depending on which of the areas of Outlook that you're working in. Similarly, different items in Outlook also update and give you a new Quick Access Toolbar. So for instance, if I choose New Email, the new message window appears. It has its own Quick Access Toolbar that I can customize. Any customizations that I make will stay with that item type, and then next time I create a new message, all my customizations will be there. Now, a little known secret. Here's my two favorite things. I'm going to choose the drop down again on the Quick Access Toolbar, and this time select Show Below the Ribbon. You'll now see that the Quick Access Toolbar is below the ribbon, so it's a little bit more accessible and a lot longer. And now for a best kept secret. If you press the Alt key, it activates a series of hotkeys. And the first 9 items on the Quick Access Toolbar are assigned a number. So if I would like to reply to an email, all I have to do is click the For button, and it creates a draft version for me to reply to that particular email. If at any time you want to reset them to their original state, click the drop-down menu, choose More Commands, select the Reset option, confirm by clicking Yes, and then click OK. And it now restores the Quick Access Toolbar to the original buttons that appeared. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next clip.